Alright, so I'm building a new computer, starting off with Asus Prime B660M-A Wi-Fi D4. This is a micro ATX motherboard. Here's your Wi-Fi antennas. Here's the motherboard itself. And under the box is your back plate, a couple SATA cables, disk, and user guide. Get the motherboard out here. Has two M2 PCIe 4.0s, capable of 128 gigs of RAM. It's got the PCI Express 16X 4.0 version. And here's the connections: USB, USB 3.0, HDMI, DV port. Here's your Wi-Fi connections. But yeah, this will handle the 12th generation i9 core 1770 LGA. Yeah, this is a pretty impressive board for its size. Next up is the Intel i9 core 12th generation. Cased in a gold plating cover. I'm not going to remove this and risk damaging the processor. It costs too much to do that for this video. But yeah, it's an i9 12900K 30 megabyte cache LGA 1700. My operating system drive and secondary drive will be a 980 Pro PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD. This is a 2 terabyte. Again, I got 2 of these coming, so I'll have a total of 4 starting off in my computer. I'm going to leave it in there till it's ready to go into my build. Everything going inside this here case. It's a thermal take. Core V21 from micro ATX boards. Compact but very powerful. I'll open the box and show you what it looks like here. All right. Yeah, this is a pretty impressive case. Got all the accessories in there. I'll just leave that alone until it's ready to get built. But yeah, this is nice. Yep, all my parts are going in this here case. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'll show you the build when it's done. And this is the V5 CPU cooler from Vetru. Okay. And the installation, one for AMD, one for Intel, which I'll be using an Intel i9 core. So yeah, we'll see what this looks like once it's all connected. We've got a real nice heat sink, so this will stand vertical like this, and the fan will go on one side for ventilation purposes. Pretty good reviews on this, so I'm looking forward to seeing this in action. Here's the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3090 video card. We'll take a look at this out of the box. Gigabyte folder. And yeah, here's the massive video card, well packaged. Now, I'm not going to take this out of the packaging yet because I don't have all the parts. I'll just kind of give you an idea what it looks like out of the box. So, PCI 16X 4.0. Yep, we'll just leave that in there for now till it's ready to get installed. Here's the 4 sticks of G-Skill Ripjaw, 128 gigs. It's the F4 3200C16Q-128 GVK. And here's the Monster power supply, EVGA 1000 GT Supernova, 80 Gold Plus, 1000 watt power supply. I'm going to leave it in the box till it's ready to install. Alright, computer is done. So here's the back side, motherboard, there's the video card, 120mm fan on the back, 1000 watt power supply. And this is the other side. I'll take some of the panels off so you can see what it looks like on the inside here. Alright. So I can get this plastic off here. Yeah, it's double-sided. There's the setup on the inside. There we go. We get a flashlight. I'll shine it in here so you can see a little bit better. There we go. That is a mean looking video card. And on the back side is the it's the heat sink and fan, and 200mm fan on the front. So let me get the top off here. That's what we look like from above. 128 gigs of G-Skill Ripjaw 5 RAM. The GeForce RTX 3090. And we'll get the cover off on this side. Yep, so there's a 1000-watt power supply. We've got 3 racks for 2.5-inch solid state drives if you want. I probably won't be adding any. I will add a couple of 18 terabyte hard drives later. But yeah, this thing looks mean. This is where the 2 hard drives will go. But yeah, this thing is nice. So yep, I'll put everything back on and I'll fire it up. Let's just see the light display. What it looks like. Really, it's just this fan and I think this one that has lights. Everything else is just for functionality. Alright, so this is what it looks like on. The lights are interchanging on the heatsink. And a black light or purple light on the back, 120mm. That's kind of showing through the case there. Well, that's what it looks like on my TV. Really sharp picture. You go to the system and check out the specs. Alright. So there's my computer, 12th generation i9 1290K. 128 gigabytes of RAM. So this is Windows 11. So yeah, this thing is ready to go. So I hope that helps you out if you are building your own, looking for ideas. So yep, that'll do it for mine.